Right. So this task is basically, it's like a phone contract, right? So we've got a flat fee of 1000p, and if they pay 1000p, there's an allowance they get. If they go over the allowance, they will be charged differently for the test and also differently for the number of minutes or the calls they make. So we go through the exact numbers as we go through the code. So I'm just going to write it my way, and by all means, as I write alongside with me and to write it in your way as well. So I'm just going to go with flat fee. The flat fee is what? 1000p. So I'll just say 1000. You can put a comment on it to say 1000p, you know, or in p or something. That's up to you. And then they have the 3 minutes they are allowed. And their 3 minutes is 75. So you can say 75 3 minutes, and then they got a free test too. The free test they allow is 250.